Hey y'all, can you believe it's only 5 days until Christmas? It feels like it outside right now. Our temperatures have dropped dramatically over the last few hours. So are y'all ready for cast iron giveaway number 3? This time I'm going to be giving the lucky winner a 7-inch black lock skillet and a coffee mug. So let me show you what I'm going to be giving you. This is the black lock skillet. And turn it over so you can see it better. If you're not familiar with black lock skillet, this is what Lodge was called before it became Lodge Manufacturing Company. On the back of each skillet is a number, and that represents a piece of Lodge history. You can go on their website and you can find out what piece of history that number represents. I did a video on that a couple of weeks ago. I think it was my Lodge warehouse sale video. You can go on there and check out the history of black lock because I went over that in that video. Okay, and I'm also giving away a mug. This is a Chattanooga Birds mug, and if you didn't know, I have moved my bird videos over to the Chattanooga Birds. So any new bird videos is going over to Chattanooga Birds. That's the channel name. So if you like my bird videos, go over there and subscribe to this channel. But this is the Chattanooga cityscape. That's the Tennessee River. That's the Walnut Street Bridge. Tennessee River runs under the bridge. And we've got mountains that surround Chattanooga. We got Lookout Mountain, Signal Mountain, and look at all the cute little birds. Anyway, this is the only Chattanooga Birds mug I have so far. I'm going to give it to the lucky winner. And I'm going to make some Bobbi Jo mugs eventually. I just don't have any right now, so this is all I got to give away. So I'm going to give this and the skillet to the lucky winner. We're only going to have one winner for this drawing. I had to put my glasses on so I could see y'all because I've got notes up here. Okay, since it is Christmas week, I'm not going to make you do hashtag cast iron or some certain comment. Just leave me a comment. Any comment's fine, anything you want to say, as long as it's nice. I don't want to hear anything mean. Also, this is only for people in the United States of America. If you're outside the United States of America, I'm sorry, but I cannot ship cast iron overseas. It costs too much money. Cost enough shipping things inside the United States of America. Our postage has gotten a little out of hand. This giveaway is not sponsored by Lodge or YouTube. This is something I do to show y'all how much I appreciate y'all subscribing and watching my channel. You have until Friday, December 27th at noon Eastern Standard Time to leave a comment to be entered. I will do a drawing on Saturday, December 28th, and I'm not going to be doing it live, so you do not have to be present to win. Just make sure you turn on your notifications because you want to be notified when I post that announcing the winner's video. That way you don't miss it. Because you only have until Tuesday, December 31st to claim your prize. If I do not hear from you by Tuesday, December 31st at noon Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to end up redrawing new winners the next day. So make sure you claim your prize before then if you are the winner. And to claim your prize, all you have to do is send me an email with your address. Okay, I hope I didn't miss anything. I feel like I'm missing something, but if I did, I'll go over it in the video where I announce the winners. Okay, good luck, y'all, and Merry Christmas.